Welcome to the new video for Lalali service. Today, you will learn how to create an instrumental track from any song. First, open Lalali in your browser. Then, click Select File button. Audio files of any format, size, and length are supported. Within the opened folder window, double-click the song you want to upload. Wait a few seconds until the processing is complete. Within the instrumental section, click the play icon to check if you like the extraction result. To download the instrumental part of a song, click Download button. In case you want to change the intensity of audio processing, click Restart button. Find the processing level options at the top of the file upload section. Normal is the default level on which all uploaded files are processed. The mild level involves the minimum amount of sound filtration. The result contains some audible artifacts like the vocal and instrumental interpenetration and the original mixing errors. The aggressive level involves the maximum sound filtration amount. Sensitive to all possible errors, the algorithms find and remove them. Natural mixing peculiarities are usually perceived as errors as well. The separated stems may contain a larger amount of audible artifacts. Thank you for watching this video guide. Hope you will enjoy our service.